Hi, this is Jesse with Clog Pro Plumbing. Video inspecting a sewer line at 1622 Southeast Elliott Street in Portland, Oregon. Accessing through a 4-inch cast iron cleanout in the basement. City did a dye test because there was a rat hole, and so it said that there's rat holes in the sewer line. There is an evident rat hole out by a walkway, so we're going to inspect the line to try to locate it and see what's going on. We ran the camera down, didn't find any evident rat holes per se, but when we ran some water and dye down the rat hole, there was a joint that the water was coming through. Okay, so this is the other rain drain tie-in here. Water was coming in right at this joint. You can kind of see we just turned it off, but it's still kind of coming in through there. You can see back here there's no real water coming in through this pipe. But there's no real evident rat hole per se, but the water is leaking down through the joint. So that tells me that the rats have dug down to the pipe, and that way it lets the water infiltrate through that joint. But all in all, the rest of the line looks okay. We're going to give the customer an estimate to possibly replace the whole line just because it's old, and fixing that one spot typically is just kind of putting a band-aid on the situation. So right here's where it wires into the city main out in the alley. So there's the city main there. Which this Y does not look in very good condition. It looks pretty worn out. So we're going to give the customer a bid to replace the line, but just want to make note that from the property line out into the street here, this Y looks like it's in pretty bad shape. It's got a lot of rock showing. The joint there's kind of getting a little eroded out, so just making documentation of it so we can show the city that this Y here is starting to get worn out. So I'm going to go ahead and pull back. So again, right here is where the rain drain off the garage ties into the sewer. The rat hole that's underneath the walkway is right about this area here. And so when we ran water, again, it was coming out of this joint right here. So they haven't chewed through the pipe yet, but I'm sure they will. I'm going to go ahead and continue to pull back. So this concludes our video. This is Jesse with Clog Pro Plumbing. Have a nice day.